Starting our session, our Tuesday session. As usual, we gonna open some really, I hope, profitable trades. I'll explain you everything step by step, how to open the trades, how to find good entries, my strategy, my favorite strategy that suits for any time frame you can open with these trades. Short time, long time trades. Hello, Prince of West. You're still there. Where are you from? Welcome. Are you ready for the trading session with me? Do you have any questions? As usual, guys, today we are trading with the pocket options platform, and don't forget that you can always join my Telegram channel. There is a QR code on the screen, and there is also the link in the description of the channel, in the description of this live. So if you want to know more life hacks about trading, if you want to know the first part of my strategy is already published in my Telegram channel, how to trade and how to find the good entries, and also there is the link to my private messages. So if you want to get a private mentorship from me, if you want to talk to me, if you have any questions to ask me, also let me know in the chat, in my private Telegram messages. If you want to know more about anything, you are always welcome to ask me on my Telegram private messages. The link is in the description of the stream. Yay, let's go. Yeah, we are trading today with a pocket option as usual. I withdrew my money, so today we have a smaller balance than the previous time. And I already have all of my indicators that I'm using. As usual, I'm using 2 moving averages and a MACD, and I'm operating on the period 30 seconds and 1 minute usually. But before that, let's check. Here I see in AUD GPU. By the way, I hope that the music is not too loud, right, guys? Let me know in the comments if the music is alright or not. But what can I see here? Look, here we have our support level, and the price started to go up in AUD GPY. Would be really nice to open the trade like somewhere there, but I think it's already kinda late for us to enter here. So because this chart seems to me quite stable, I would put here the star, and maybe later I would open here the trades, but not right now. Let's check everything step by step. CHF and OK is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. But here, what the news? Look at this huge candle. Oh my god, look, from 8 it went to 10. So probably not the best idea to open the trades on this one. So let's go to the next one. And the next one is this one, which is moving in the downward channel, I think, or maybe even triangle. I think, by the way, triangle. Look, the resistance is right there, and the support. Let's see, where is the support, because the support seems to me somewhere there. And this is a descending triangle, so the price will go down. Thank you so much for your likes, guys. Yes, your likes are helping me. If you are still not following me on my YouTube, please follow that. If you are new there, also let me know. And still didn't cross. The price is still on the resistance. So I will remember that we have this one where it's forming the signal, and so maybe in a couple of minutes we will enter here in the downward direction. You can also open this active in this currency pair, Euro TRY, and let's signal in the downward direction. but because this is the upward trend, I do not enter against the main trend. So if there is an upward trend, I open only the trades in the upward direction. If there is the downward trend, I open the trades in the downward direction only. Do not enter against the main trend. So I would wait till QAR CNY will reach the bottom, the support line, and then we can open the trade in the upward direction. And don't forget, oh, euro here is destroying the resistance that I drew. Oh my god. Okay, maybe it can reach till there, like the previous peak. I can also draw here, you know, somewhere there, you see, like that. There is the resistant zone, and our price can reach till here and then start going down. We can also open here the trade in the downward direction. Just now we know that the next level that our price will reach is gonna be probably this one, or maybe even here, you know, but I think it will go higher. Is there anybody else except Prince F West? Guys, don't be shy, drop me some hi in the comments, and don't forget that that you can follow my Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan it and you can join it, where I share my life hacks, my strategies that I'm using, my advices about trading, my private life also. And if you have any questions, or you want to take lessons from me, mentorships, you can text me in my private messages on Telegram. The link to my private messages is also in the description of this stream. So you can text me right now and I will answer you as soon as I can. Or my the person that helps me, my manager, how it's called, also can answer you, but also I am answering myself on the private messages on my Telegram channel. So all the links are in the description, and yeah, here we go. The price still didn't start going down. This one actually started, look. Next one that I had opened, AUD GPY. Yeah, this one is still going up. We're still waiting on this one, and we can check some other charts. Maybe there will be better signals. This one seems to be in the downward trend. No signals. No clear structure. What about this one? Here is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but I see that the main trend is downward, at least on the 30 seconds. But if we check it on 30 minutes, I kind of see the downward channel here, you know. So I don't think that it's a good idea to open here the trade in the upward direction, which is forming here. So let's just move on. This one is super stable. No volatility at all. You know, when there is a lot of volatility on the chart, it can be bad and it can be good for us. So when there is no volatility at all, that's actually bad for us. As well as when there is a lot of volatility, also bad for us. AUD, NZD, don't see the clear structure. Let's move on. Here, what is going on here? Here is the upward trend, to tell the truth. Also, for some reason, yeah, today I don't see clear structures on the market. The market is a little bit chaotic today, but I think that we will manage to find, look, and CAD, CHF, I see the clear upward channel right there. I see the support right here, and our price is super close, it's on support right now. So I believe that here soon we can open the trade in the upward direction. So I will definitely save this one, and I think soon we can open here the trade in the upward direction. Though last time, well, there was a fake false signal. Look, the price didn't touch the support, but the signal formed here to open the trade in the upward direction, and it actually went down. But here was a really nice signal to open the trade in the upward direction at 7:13 and at 7:29. Well, I think 5 or even maybe 7 minutes would be nice for this one. This one, still can go up. I think still can go up. Still a bit far from my resistance that I drew here, but I think we need to watch this one. This one we need to watch. This one is looking super good for me. Stable, that's nice. What about this one? I already don't remember. This one almost reached the previous top of this candle. Look, almost reached, and it can start going down, but also can go higher. So this one also I think we need to watch. Yeah, like look, the previous top peak point was right there. So look, it actually goes down, but here it also seemed to going down, but then it went up. So watch this one, watch. And this one broke a little bit here, but I think that's nothing. This one can go up. How are you, friend, so fast? How was your day today? What did you do? Let's chat a little bit, guys, while we are waiting and searching for these signals. Let's get to know each other better. And CHF and OK. No, this one no. I think we actually saw that already. Euro CHF is forming a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, even though I see there a lot of volatility. Let's see. And a very small range. Hello everyone, nice to be here again. Hope to learn one or two things here. Woo, Akim, welcome, welcome. Hello, you just joined me. How are you? How are you doing? Hello, Natasha. Natasha, are you a man or a woman? Because I think your avatar looks like you're a man, but your name sounds like woman's name. Yeah, I'm doing well today. I did the workout today. And I was shooting today the video for you guys, the YouTube video. I ate a really nice dinner already, and maybe later I will go to play some games. I'm a gamer, if you didn't know that. I have a deal with my friends to play games after my stream, after my trading stream. So let's hope that I'm not gonna be tired after our trading session. Let's hope that we'll find some really nice trades today. I'm still waiting on AUD GPY signal. And here, oh look! Nice, MACD crossed in the oversold zone. For me, that's the signal to open a trade in the upward direction. But I don't like this candle. I would wait maybe a little bit more, and then I would open here the trade in the upward direction. I think right now our price is struggling. Maybe it wants to break the support, but I don't think that it's gonna break. Hello Freddy, hello, welcome. How are you? How are you doing? What's new, guys? How are your results in trading for this and previous week maybe? How do you see the market? If there is any active chart that you want me to check and to tell my opinion, also tell me. Maybe I can make an analysis. And if you're still not following me on my Telegram channel, there is the QR code that you can scan and you can join me, where I am sharing my strategies, trading, this strategy that I'm using today, and in general all the strategies that I'm using, life hacks about trading, how to find the entry point, risk management. And yeah, if you also have any questions, you can text me in the private messages on Telegram. The link is also in the description of this stream. If you want to take mentorship, if you want me to teach you to do something, you can always write me, text me. I will be more than happy to answer you, to clarify everything. And yeah, let's go. AUD, GPY, when will you start going down? Euro TRY, actually almost reached the resistance, but still there is the space a little bit. This one looks amazing. This one, oh, look at that. Let's enter here for 5 minutes in the upward direction. $100 CAD CHF, our first trade for this trading session. 5 minutes in the upward direction. I believe that this one will go up and we're gonna get here the profit. Let's go. So guys, are you doing any kind of sports? Like I said to you that today I did a workout. Basically, I did the workout I think on Saturday. I did the leg workouts and oh my god, for already I think 4 days I'm barely walking. Like my muscles, my leg muscles are hurting so fucking much. I'm sorry for my language. But that's insane. Guys, in AUD GBY, I think in the closer of this we can enter for 5 minutes in the downward direction. AUD GBY, 5 minutes in the downward direction. I entered. Hope it's gonna be enough time. Actually, there was a signal to open the trade in the downward direction at 7:31, and at 7:44 it went down. Okay, I think 5 minutes, that's amazing time here. Oh, the gap. Actually, this one has a lot of volatility. Look at these candles, they are big. Also, there are gaps. So this one can be kinda risky. Also here I see the gap, but we will see, we will see. We are starting our trading session. That's just the warm-up, but let's hope that this warm-up is gonna be profitable. Euro TRY is reaching the first, well, it's already the second resistance that I drew. And is it gonna break it also? Is it gonna break it? I can make it right. So it's right on the resistance zone. Can go down or it can break it and go to the moon. I wanna sing! I drank a little bit of coffee before the stream and now I have a lot of energy. That's why, guys, I can seem a little bit crazy. You know, after coffee in the evening at that time, I feel myself so weird. Too much energy. So this one here is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but to tell the truth, I don't see the clear structure. When I check the price on 5 minutes, I don't see the clear structure. Here I can see the upward channel, but right now it seems like the price is searching the support and the resistance line, so I wouldn't say that it found the support and resistance. So it already overcame the previous peak points of our mountain. This one and this one, even though right now it's right on this one, so maybe it will start going down, but something tells me that no, it's not gonna go down. Hello Cyrus, welcome, how are you doing? CADCHF, as I told you, this one looks super stable, super clear structure, and it looks super profitable. But AUDGPY, a lot of volatility. This one was risky, so there is a correction. I think this looks like a correction. I don't think that the price will go up. So, and we still have more than 1 minute to wait there. And look at that! Oh my god, 5 minutes in the downward direction. Euro TRY in the downward direction. Look, it touched the resistance, the one that I drew here, and now it goes down. Lateral trend, which I don't like, you know. If you're watching my videos or my streams, you know that I don't like lateral trend. But this is what we have here, lateral trend, and right now it goes in the downward direction. It goes to touch the support, and the first trade closed. Our CADCHF closed with our first profit for today's session. Congratulations to me. This one was super good. This one still goes up, unfortunately, but let's see. Well, probably it has only 20 seconds, so maybe it's not enough time. Whether I needed to open it for only like 2 minutes for this to be profitable, or we needed more time for the price to go down. Like, look at these huge candles. Okay, never mind, 70-20% of the trades are profitable, and 20-30% are not profitable, unfortunately, but that's fine. We gonna make it better. We're gonna find a better entry point, and we're gonna make more profit. Guys, don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. There is the QR code where I already explained my strategy in the pinned message on my Telegram channel. If you want to know what strategy I'm using today, what is my favorite strategy, the one that I'm using today, and how to use it, and to find the entry points. And yeah, also if you have any questions, so you can write me, you can text me in my private messages on my Telegram not my Telegram channel, my private Telegram messages. The link is also in the description of this stream, so you can text me and I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. If you want to take mentorship, personal mentorship, also you can text me in private messages on my Telegram. Yeah, let's continue. USD CLP is going down to touch the support, but I would love to open here only the trades in the upward direction. What is going on there? This one is still going down. Here we have 2 more minutes to wait. And in this one, maybe we will soon open the trade in the upward direction. It's still going down to touch the support. Here, okay, this one didn't touch the support, went up again to touch the resistance. Also fine. This one still goes up. This one looks super good. Guys, are you there? You're not super active in the chat. What is your native language, guys? Maybe it's because I'm talking on English. Maybe you want me to talk some other languages. Sometimes I feel like maybe people do not understand me, and that's why they are not talking to me. Oh, Euro CHF. Don't see really nice signals there. Let's move on. Oh no, this one got stuck in one place. Like, probably here we needed to open the trade for 10 minutes in the downward direction. I would love to enter here again, guys, to tell the truth. Like, I'm sure that this one is gonna go down, just we needed a little bit more time. Like, look, it got stuck right there. 24, 26, already for 2 minutes. The price is on the same place. It's not moving at all for 2 minutes. Imagine. Crazy. So some charts have a lot of volatility, like this one, big candles, and some like this get stuck. And of course right now when my trade is closed, the price starts to go down, of course. But okay, never mind. These were our first trades today. We need to start feeling the market before the session. Sometimes it's good just to watch and to understand on what time we need to open the trades. And by the way, in Euro GPY I see the upward channel. Here we go. Maybe here soon we can open the trade in the upward direction. After it touches the resistance, then it goes down, and then we can open the trade in the upward direction. Also really nice chart with a clear structure. Would definitely save that. Where is that? Oh, okay. Correction. I'm waiting for this one. This one. and also this one. Also would love to enter here, but probably for maybe 7 minutes in the downward direction. Don't forget to send me likes, guys, and to follow me on YouTube if you're still not following me. USDCLP forming signal in the downward direction. Actually, would be kinda risky to open here the trade in the downward direction, because the main trend is the upward trend, but on 30 seconds where we are operating, it has the downward trend. So basically here we can open the trade in the downward direction. So MACD moving averages are in the overbought zone. So I think that's a green flag for us, and we can open here the trade in the downward direction. Like, you know, it's going down. I think it will go down. Just a little bit to wait here, the confirmation from the candles. This one goes down. But I would say I would open here the trade when it overcomes. Oh wait, not this one. Here, this level. When it overcomes this level, I would open the trade in the downward direction. Right now, maybe there is a small support which the price can't overcome. This one, oh my god. We could open here many trades in the downward direction, to tell the truth. But I do not recommend you to risk and to open the trades in the other direction. because in some charts it can look good and beautiful, but then you enter and you lose. AUD, GPY, here, yeah, it went, I entered here, it went up. Okay, still believe that it will go down. Maybe also there is the situation like in Euro tier Y, but I think it will go down. This one still goes up. I'm just checking, you know, from time to time we need to check what is going on to not lose the signals. And here is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Actually, here was the good signal to open the trade in the downward direction at 8:06. And at 8:16, in 10 minutes, the price went down. 10 minutes the price needed to go down. So I think here also we need to open the trade minimum for 5 minutes. Like, let's open right now 5 minutes in the downward direction, $250. Let's go. Let's see. No, the price can't overcome this support, but maybe it will overcome the resistance, though I don't think so. This one seems like it goes down, but still too far from the resistance. I believe that this one will go up. Here we go. This one is already close to the support. Already close to the support. But I think still super early to go up. It can still go down. I think it's early to open here the trade. And yeah, guys, don't forget that you can always follow me on Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. So if you want, you can scan it and join my Telegram channel, where I already explained in my pinned message the strategy that I'm using right now. And also this Thursday there will be a giveaway for you in my Telegram channel. I'm sure that you're not gonna skip it, you don't want to miss it, so you can join it and stay tuned so you don't miss any giveaways. And of course, if you have any questions, if you want to learn trading from me, if you want to get a private personal mentorship from me, also there is the link in the description of this stream to write me in the private messages on Telegram. You can do it, you can text me and I'll give you all the information, answer all of your questions, so don't forget to do that if you want. And let's continue. Euro tier Y still can't pass my resistance, so it goes down again. Okay, by the way, maybe soon here we can open the trade in the upward direction. I just want to make it a little bit longer to see it better. Still goes down. This one actually went a little bit lower than the previous time, but again can start going up. Well, let's just AUD GPY, we're just watching right now. We're just watching this one. Looks like it's going down. It can break the support, but I don't think so. I think it's gonna touch again and then it will go up, and maybe we can open the trade in the upward direction again. We will see. Euro GPY got stuck for some reason, got stuck here, and it doesn't want to go upper, right? Wow. So reach this level, but I think it will go up. Still has time. And here we are waiting for a little bit more than 1 minute, but looks good actually. Looks good, even though if you look at the candles, that looks like there is a lot of volatility here. So let's hope that there won't be such big green candles. But in general, right now it looks amazing to me. Right now it looks really good. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you open this trade with me or not. In general, if you're opening the trades here with me on the stream or not. I would really appreciate to chat, to talk with you, because right now I feel myself so lonely, so alone. Don't be shy. Oh, this one's super lateral trend. And let's check this one. Amazing, amazing! Look, it went even more down. Congratulations to me! $315. Boom! Amazing! Our second profit on this trading session. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to you if you entered with me. And again, if you want to participate in my giveaways in my Telegram channel, there is the QR code, there is the link in the description of the stream and my channel. You can check, and also there is this strategy, my strategy that I'm using for the trading today in the pinned message that you can take an advantage of. And what else? And if you want to take personal mentorship, also you can click on the link in the description of this stream and you can text me and I will try to answer all of your questions. We're here with all eyes and ears open. Amazing, Natasha, amazing. I love that. Continue. We still have a little bit of time to open more trades, to find more signals, to get more profit. And by the way, AUD GPY went down, and soon we can open here the trade in the upward direction. Look. We already got here the profit, I think. Oh wait, what was the last trade? I forgot. The last one was USD. And this one is AUD GPY. So here, remember, I opened here the trade to go up, to go down. The price went up and now it started to go down. So basically, I just needed more time. So like I entered here at 8:18 and at 8:36. The price finally went down, so I just needed more time. 5 minutes wasn't enough for this one, but my prediction was right. But maybe later we can open the trade in the upward direction when the price touches the support, which is here. So CADCHF is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and I think we can fall for it. Actually, I think it's a nice signal. The moving averages of MACD crossed in the oversold zone, so we can open here the trade. Like for example, we could open here the trade to open in the upward direction. Here it went up, then it went down again. Here again formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and it went again even upper. So I think here will be the same thing. Again, here went up, now it will again touch the support, and then it will go to touch the resistance. Julia, I love your vibe. Thank you so much. Sensei Karen, thank you so much. Where are you from? Julie, you're glowing today. Thank you, Don, India. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming to my stream. How long have you been trading? 6 years, 3 years in profit, and 3 years doing only trading, like it's my main income. This explanation actually makes sense. Thank you so much, Arab. Yes, that's why I'm profitable, and that's why we are here. Well, basically, all the movings of the prices is just the pattern from the history of the price. So that will happen again, I think. Guys, so many new people here. Do you follow me on Telegram? Question. If you want to get more explanations like this, follow my Telegram. The QR code is on the screen and the link is in the description. Who else watching Julia not for the first time? Yes! Let me know! I want to know that. I appreciate that. So USD is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. But still didn't touch the support. Still didn't touch, but can touch. I think I can even try to draw here again the parallel channel. Let's make it blue this time. Let me try something like that. The downward channel inside of the upward channel. Well, the price starts going up, but I don't think so. I think it's too far from the support and too far from even this support, so maybe it's a bad idea to open. But though on 30 seconds it doesn't look that far. Let me see, here was a really nice signal to open the trade in the upward direction at 8:18 and at 8:29. So 10 minutes for the price took to go up. Julia is so calm, no fake hype. Maybe it's because I'm a gamer also. I love playing computer games, horror games. And you know, after playing all these horrors with a lot of screamers, this doesn't seem to me scary at all. Where can I learn this strategy more? In my Telegram channel, guys. The link is in the description of this stream, and also there is a QR code on the screen. You can scan it and you can check it. It's there is a strategy in the pinned message. And let's enter for 5 minutes in the upward direction and USD again. I already got here a nice profit in USD, and I'm opening the trade again, but this time in the upward direction for 5 minutes. I feel like there are too many touches on Euro tier Y of the resistant zone, so something tells me that it's gonna break it soon. Too many touches, look. The price wants to break it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It didn't touch, but it started to go up like crazy right now. Let's also enter here for 5 minutes in the upward direction. QAR CNY 5 minutes in the upward direction. I entered. Well, to tell the truth, before the stream, I watched the stream of the other trader, which is also blonde girl on YouTube, and it wasn't even a live. It wasn't even the live stream. It was just the video that I think was just playing over and over again how she was doing trades, and it was looking so fake. So guys, here is the live stream. You can ask me questions during the live stream and I will answer all of them. Here, this one went down. Probably this is what happens when I'm entering in the other direction from the main trend, which I'm saying to you not to do this. but sometimes I'm doing experiments, I'm going for the risk, and this is what happened. I'm not following my own strategy, but we still have here almost 3 minutes. It can go up. It can go up. But in general, I do not recommend you to open the trades against the main trend. And as I told you, this one, look, it breaks. It breaks the resistance. So the next level here, to touch the price, to touch this resistance, I mean, not the price, here. Here is the other resistance. I feel like it's gonna go up and it's gonna touch it. Yeah, this one went so much up, and here we're waiting for 2 more minutes. USD also started to go up. Look, the correct time is everything. Let's hope it will continue going up. And this one, so much volatility here, looks like. Well, before there were also volatility, but right now it's moving a little bit chaotic, which I don't like. But maybe we can enter here. Maybe we can enter. I feel like right now the price got stuck somewhere here, you know, in this range. So when it overcomes, when the price is somewhere there, we can open the trade in the upward direction. The last minute here, yay, look, so this was the correction, and the last 40 seconds. I am happy, but please don't go down. No. This is what happens when I'm saying that I'm happy. Oh, AUD GPY, by the way, reached the support and even started breaking it. Interesting, interesting. It can break it. Or we can open maybe here the trade soon in the upward direction. Okay, USD. How it goes. Ooh, the profit is right there. Why 1 second before it went down? 337. Congratulations to me. Yay. Perfect timing. This time it was. After the stream, trading feels less stressful. Oh, thank you so much, Panathin. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. And yeah, guys, don't forget that more of my private life, more of my strategies and life hacks are in my Telegram channel. This Thursday, actually, there will be the giveaway in my Telegram channel. So if you want, you can join it. The link in the description of this live stream, and there is also the QR code on the screen. You can scan it, and boom, $480. Another good one. Another good one. Perfect. Yeah, guys, if you want the personal mentorship from me, if you have any questions about trading from me, also there is the link to my private messages in Telegram. The link is in the description of the stream. You can text me in my private messages and I'll try to reply to everybody and to answer all of the questions. What else? And yeah, also the strategy well explained is already in my Telegram channel in the pinned message. You can go and check it out to learn more about this, and you can use it in your own trading sessions. Julia, what's your favorite asset right now? Guys, I have the favorite asset which gives me the profit. Right now it's USD CLP because I already closed here 2 trades in profit. It gave me 2 really nice signals. But it doesn't mean that in 10 minutes I will hate this asset. Like, I love the assets for giving me clear signals and have clear structure, and USD CLP right now has a very clear structure. First of all, look at that. For a long time it's moving in the upward channel, parallel channel. So it touches the resistance, goes down, touches the support, goes up, up, almost touches the support, goes up, and just like that for already so much time. From 5 a.m. in the morning today, it's moving like that, imagine. And right now in this upward channel we have a small downward channel which we can also take advantage of. It touches the support, goes up, we're getting the profit. Touches the resistance, goes down, we get the profit. And again and again and again. And right now it can actually start going down. I see that it's breaking a little bit the resistance, but still I think that it's a little bit too early for the price start going down to reach the resistance. Like, it's too high, you know. But we will see. Or maybe it's breaking the clear structure that I said that I love. He doesn't love me anymore. Is this strategy beginner friendly? Of course, guys. That's why I'm using it on my trading sessions. Because I think it's perfect for the beginners and for any time frames. I'm using this strategy for 30 seconds, 1 minute, and you can use this strategy even on the longer time frames. You just have to check the volatility and how the price behaved before you started to open the trades. Like, look, I'm operating on 30 seconds, so you check where was the previous good signal. Like, was it there? Was it there, the signal? How much time did the price need to go down? Here was a nice signal at 7:15, and it reached the bottom, the support level at 7:23. So almost 8 minutes the price needed to go down. So probably here will be good to open the trade from 5 till 10 minutes. In this period of time, from 5 to 10 minutes, you can open here the trades in Euro TRY. Last stream was fire, not gonna like. Thank you so much, Dom. Julia motivates me to keep going. Yay! Oh my god, guys, you're amazing. Thank you so much. You are amazing. By the way, did we open here the trades KARCNY? Because there was an amazing signal here and I don't remember if I entered here or not. No, I don't see this in the... Oh, wait. No, we actually, we closed. Right, a couple of seconds ago, we closed here the trades. I already forgot. Anyone else came from recommendations? Julia, your entries are clean. Thank you so much. I'm Jan. Joined Ethereum yesterday, worth it. Thank you, Dawn. US. Are you from US? These streams are addictive. Oh my, guys, you are amazing. You are amazing. I think this is the best addiction. This is the healthiest addiction that you can have. Hope you don't have any other addictions, just my streams. And look, by the way, I said that I want to open after the price in CAD/CHF breaks this range, and look, it broke it, but for me it's already a little bit late to enter here, I think. Like, it broke the range, but I don't know. I feel like right now the price is halfway up, so maybe let's wait. Let's wait there. Oh, Euro GPY, look, it actually almost touches. It touches the support, so I think soon in a couple of minutes we can open here the trade in the upward direction. Euro GPY, I think we can take advantage of this chart. I think actually we already opened here the trades. So today you're on point. Thank you, James. I'm always on point. What do you mean today? Yeah, we're all making mistakes, Don. We are persons, we are not robots. Even though I saw the research how ChatGPT, Gemini, and some other AI, they were doing the trades on the market, and only I think ChatGPT managed to be profitable. So even robots are making mistakes, not just us. By the way, guys, did you see? Talking about technologies, did you see that Ray-Ban released new glasses? So let's see. Maybe 5 minutes in the upward direction, $100 in the Euro GPY. I think it's ready. I think it's time for us to enter in Euro GPY. 5 minutes in the upward direction. I entered, touched the support. MACD moving averages crossed in the oversold zone. I think that's the perfect time for us to open the trade in the upward direction right there. Who's trading along with Julia right now? Julia helped me stop overtrading. Thank you, Omar. Thank you so much. How many trades you will opening per day, or how many hours you will doing trades per day? Look, this one actually flew away, even though it didn't touch the support. Halfway going to the support, it went up to touch again the resistance. Maybe the price wants to break the resistance here. It can be. Where do you post signals? In my Telegram channel. On the trading session on live stream, I do not post any signals, but there are VIP sessions. All the details you can ask me in my private messages on my Telegram channel, the link in the description of this stream. And you can also join my Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan it, join my Telegram. There will be a giveaway on Thursday on my Telegram channel. So if you want to participate in the giveaways, to learn more about my strategy, you can join my Telegram or to write me the private messages on Telegram. The link is in the description of this stream. I love that you don't promise get rich fast. Unfortunately, yeah, we can't get rich fast. That would be a magic. Unfortunately, we need to work hard. Our brain needs to work hard, and yeah, there is no magic. Any beginners here just learning her Telegram actually helps a lot. Perfect. Thank you so much, Edward. Thank you so much, guys. Here is the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. AUD GPY. I think 5 minutes in the upward direction. AUD GPY. I just opened the trade. MACD moving average is crossed in the oversold zone. For me, that's the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. And also, this is the lateral trend. The price touches the support and goes up. Just like that, it's moving. Yeah, here there was a false break of the support level, and now it's going up. So I think in the next 5 minutes, the price will go up. How long did it take to become consistent? Many years. At least 3 years it took for me to become consistent. 3 years at least. She answers in Telegram. Yay! Of course. Of course I do. That's why I started my channel, and in general all this thing, being a streamer, a content creator, not just the trader, but also like a public person, because I want to create my own community of traders. I want to help people. So yeah, of course. Of course, right now, because I started this thing that I wanted, of course, right now, it's my responsibility to answer your messages, to answer your questions. That's why I'm here. Yay! So, a little bit of correction on Euro GPY. We have the last 40 seconds. A little bit making me worried, but my funk music actually helps me. Yay! Go up, baby. Only up. Julie is one of the few I trust. Guys, so many compliments from you today. I'm in shock. I'm not that good. Stop. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. $174 profit, guys. We are on fire today. Amazing signals, amazing trading session today. I really love that. AUD GPY. And yeah, guys, if you want to get more information about the strategy that I use, don't forget to scan the QR code, and the link in the description also can bring you to my Telegram channel with the strategy that I'm using today. In the pinned messages, you can click on that and you can join and see my strategy explained in details in my Telegram channel in the pinned message. Also, there is the link in the description of this stream to my private messages to Telegram, so you can ask me any questions you want. If you want personal mentorship, if you have any questions, even if you think that they are stupid questions, don't forget to ask me in the private messages, and I'll talk to you. I'll reply to all of your messages, try to destroy all of your doubts and to be kind and patient with everybody. So don't forget to check all the links and to scan the QR code if you want. Do you trade news or no? Sometimes, yeah, when I have time, when like, you know, sometimes you can't be on the particular time in front of your computer or to follow. Or by the way, Pocket Option has a perfect mobile app. You can also open trades from the mobile. But I prefer the technical analysis instead of the news. Like, I love more such slow-paced trading without any rush. Just calm, without any nerves that you're not gonna have time to enter in this second, in this right moment. $78 profit. Boom. Another good one. What a nice session today, guys. So yeah, news are good, but I'm not the fan of trading on the news, though I can do that, but I prefer slow pace, you know. I'm Taurus, and Tauruses, by the way, guys, tell me in the comments what is your sign of zodiac, because I'm a Taurus. I think Tauruses, they are slow a little bit,